Are you ready to take control of your career and income? Freelancing is booming in 2025, and this is your chance to join the revolution. Let me show you step by step how to start freelancing. Step 1. Choose your skill. The first step is deciding what service you want to offer. Think about what you're good at or passionate about. Writing, graphic design, programming, social media management, or video editing. Don't worry if you're not an expert yet. Freelancing is a journey of growth. Step 2. Learn and improve. Once you've chosen your skill, invest time in learning and improving it. Take free courses on YouTube or platforms like Coursera and Udemy. Remember, in freelancing, your skill is your product, so make it top-notch. Step 3. Create a portfolio. Clients want proof of your abilities. Create a portfolio showcasing your work, even if they're just practice projects. Use platforms like Behance, GitHub, or even Google Drive to share your best samples. Step 4. Choose the right platform. Now it's time to find clients. Sign up on freelancing platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, TopTool, or Freelancer. Each platform has its strengths, so pick one that matches your skills and goals. Step 5. Set competitive prices. When you're just starting, offer competitive rates to attract your first clients. As you gain experience and build your reputation, you can gradually increase your prices. Step 6. Craft a winning profile. Your profile is your first impression. Write a clear professional bio highlighting your skills, experience, and what makes you unique. Add a friendly, high-quality profile picture and list your services clearly. Or Step 7. Start pitching. Apply for jobs that match your skills and write personalized proposals. Focus on how you can solve the client's problem and keep it professional but friendly. Don't get discouraged if you don't land jobs immediately. Stay consistent. Step 8. Deliver great work. Once you get your first gig, deliver high-quality work on time. Communicate with your client regularly and exceed their expectations. Happy clients will lead to repeat business and glowing reviews. Step 9. Build your brand. As you grow, create a personal brand. Use LinkedIn, Instagram, or a website to showcase your work and attract clients directly. Networking and self-promotion are key to standing out. Step 10. Stay consistent and adapt. Freelancing isn't always easy, but consistency is what separates successful freelancers from the rest. Stay updated with market trends, continue improving your skills, and adapt to new opportunities in 2025. Freelancing in 2025 is your chance to build a career on your terms.